Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make money on YouTube, so this video for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make faceless YouTube video using AI. Faceless YouTube video is one of the greatest way you can monetize YouTube channel. Also, you can make money. So there are several ways you can make money on YouTube. Like you can monetize your YouTube channel. That's mean you can earn from Google Ads. Also, you can earn affiliate commission. Also you can earn from different sponsors, and finally you can start your own business. So if you are a student, if you are a job holder, so you can start as a side hustle. I will show you the step-by-step tutorials. That's mean how we can find the faceless YouTube video idea, then how we can write the script from using ChatGPT, and then we will create a faceless YouTube video. So I'm going to ask on ChatGPT, so write me some faceless YouTube ideas, and it's pretty simple though. Okay, so I just wrote it here. I want to start a faceless YouTube channel. Give me some profitable and YouTube monetization faceless YouTube video ideas, and just press enter and click on that. Okay, starting a faceless YouTube channel can be a great way to create content without the pressure of being on camera. Here are some profitable and monetizable faceless YouTube video ideas. That's amazing, guys. That's we are looking for. And the number one is top 10 list. That's mean you will find the top 10 movies, top 10 games, top 10 tech gadget for traveler, 10 sports person. So we can create this kind of videos. All right. And the second one is educational tutorials, also meditation, relaxation, motivational speeches, as more. All right, and product review, unboxing, gaming walkthrough, health tips, techs, podcast, and so many things you can do. DIY and craft tutorial, travel guide and virtual tour, stock market analysis, life hacks and trips, cooking and recipe videos, history, book reviews, summary, completion video. So which one do you like? Just pick that niche. So it is called niche, and it's like a broad niche. So I'm going to select the number one top 10 list. Like if you want to really make money, so focus on one niche, and then when you success you can create another one. So we are selecting number one top 10 list finally. And then our second step is we need a script. That's been video script, and we are going to select tech gadgets. Okay, so this is my second prompt. Write a YouTube video script for top 10 tech gadgets for YouTuber. So let's click on that. Alright guys, so this is the number one product, tech gadget, and they are selected a MacBook Pro. Maybe for multitasking, streaming, and 4K video editing. And the number 10 is Rode video mic. Alright, so our script is ready. So you can write any script. So you can use ChatGPT for writing any video script. So our second step is done, and it's time to create a video using this script. I'm going to copy the all script from here. Alright, and I'm going to use the tools. It's called Bull Video, and this is the first time I'm going to use these tools script to video. And here you go, click on script to video. There are several types of features over there. Product URL to video, idea to video, script to video, blog to video. So I have different videos already. I made this. Check my other videos, you can learn from that. So click on script to video. Convert your script to video in one. So let's try. So try script to video. Alright, so this is the dashboard. Very simple. So we can write it here like 7,000 up to 7,000. So we have already a script, so let's paste it here. All right, so it's total 4,323 characters, I think. And the ratio, very important. So as we are creating a YouTube video, so it should be landscape 16:9 ratio. So if you want to create a shorts video or TikTok video, reels video, so make sure this 9:16 portrait version. Okay, all right, so everything is okay. So let's click on generate. All right, so it's time to generating video, guys. So full video, try to create the video. They already done script and subtitle, voiceover, finally editor loading. All right guys, so finally our video is ready. So I will show you how you can change the scenario, like the scene. So you can also change the scene, also you can change the audio, but I'm going to change something like the text format. Let's remove the narrator. So I'm going to put my YouTube channel name. All right, so let's click on settings, and you will find music. So you can select your favorite music. Also you can increase and decrease your music volume. So I am going to decrease the music volume, guys. All right, and captions, so make sure it's turn on, and you will find different captions style. So I'm going to select shop now. Also you can select new content. I think it's also okay.
Welcome back to Raihan Rifat channel. If you're a YouTuber or planning to become one, today's video is a must-watch. We're counting down the top 10 tech gadgets that will take your content creation to the next level. At number 10, we have the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. This shotgun microphone is perfect for capturing high-quality audio directly from your camera. It's compact, lightweight, and delivers professional-grade sound, making it an essential gadget for vlogging and interviews.
Fast on is okay.
At number 10,
so this is the video. I think it's pretty okay. And finally you can export your video. So click on export HD and check the resolutions 180 pixel and click on export. Alright guys, so this is how you can create faceless YouTube video using ChatGPT and Bull video. It's pretty simple. Just go and try guys. And if you really want to make money on online, so this is the busiest way you can. Like you don't need to high skill to like hire someone and spending good amount of money. And also you don't need to high skill to like video editing, voiceover, and finding the stock media. Alright guys, so if you found this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you can get this video. And if you have any queries, please comment below. I am really happy to support you guys. So no more today. I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata. Bye bye.